Hello children, I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. We were going through chapter 7 houses, in which we came to know that house is a safe place to live in. It helps us to protect from different weather conditions like heat, cold, rain and storm, and it also protects us from thieves, robbers and animals. We also studied about different types of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house, and houses on move, that is caravans. Okay, today we will study about roof of a house. Children, you have seen different types of houses with different rooftops. So we will study about different roofs of a house in this part. The roof is the topmost part of a house. A house can have different types of roofs. So the topmost part of the house is roof, okay? And it can be of different types, like it can be flat, it can be sloping. Most people build houses with flat roofs. So children, whatever roof we have, that is flat roof, okay? Most people have flat roofs, and in hilly areas or in places where it rains or snows a lot, people make houses with sloping roofs. Water or snow can easily slope down to the ground from these roofs. So children, in hilly areas where snowfall is there, in those places people have sloping roofs. Sloping means slanting roof, okay? They are not flat. Why is it so? Because when snow will fall on the roof, they will slip down, okay? They will not remain on the roof. They will just slope down to the ground, okay? They will just move from the sloping roof to the ground, okay? That is why houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs. Now it is given, have you noticed the roof of your house? What is its shape? Actually the roof of your house is flat, children. It's not sloping, it is flat. Mostly all of us do have flat roofs. Now come to some special houses. There are different types of special houses which we can see in different areas. Among them are houseboats, tree house and igloo. Let's study about them in detail. Some people live in houses that float on rivers and lakes. Such floating houses are called houseboats. In India, we can find houseboats in the states of Kerala and Kashmir. Children, you can see in the picture also, houseboat is a boat which is having a house on it, okay? It can float easily on rivers and lakes, and this type of houses are known as houseboats. We can find this type of houseboats especially in Kerala and in Kashmir. You cannot see these houseboats in Jharkhand, in our state, okay? Now in very cold areas where there is snow all the time, people make houses using blocks of ice, and these are called igloos. You can see the picture, children. It's a dome shaped house which is made from blocks of ice only. It keeps the warmth inside the house, and people can protect themselves from outside cold, okay? These are the houses which are made up of ice only, and it is made in those places where it snows all, where there is snowfall all the time, okay children? It is made from ice only. Now the third one, in some places people also make houses on the branches of trees, and these are called tree houses. You can have a look at the picture, children. This is the picture of a tree house which is made on the branches of the trees, okay? So these are the different types of houses, special houses which are not seen in common places. They are there at some special particular places. Next day we will start our next topic. Till then children, take care. Thank you.